Good morning, Cougars. This is Mr. Martinez with the morning announcements. Good morning, Elle. Good morning, Jack.
Good morning.
All right, happy Friday, guys. I think this is a brand new flag. You tell me if I'm wrong, Elle. Have we done this flag already?
I'm not sure, but I think so.
Okay, so I like this flag because I really like Legos. And so we have done Hollis in kindergarten once before. For some reason, this flag keeps speaking to me. So if we did do it once before, we're going to do it again today. So Hollis, thank you so for this awesome flag. Elle, lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance.
Place your right hand over your heart and begin. I pledge of allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, big shout out to Hollis in kindergarten. I think you're right. I think we may have used that one once before. Happy Friday to everybody. Today is Friday, October 22nd. We're expecting a high of 72 degrees. It's been beautiful weather. Guys, I want to start off with a second grader at our school that wrote a letter to the President of the United States. Yes, check this out. Bronwyn, who is in the second grade, wrote this great letter. Oh, she wrote a letter to the president and she got a response. You could see that it's written there. You could see the stationaries from the White House dated September 29th. Says, Dear Bronwyn, thank you for sharing your thoughts with me. Vice President Harris and I love hearing from students. Even at your young age, you have the power to change the future and make history. Our country faces many challenges and the work we have ahead of us is going to be really tough. I'm certain that if we set aside our differences and come together as a nation, we will make positive change. It won't be easy, and I'm going to need your help. I urge you to remain curious, creative, and fearless. Students like you are the future of our great nation, and it's important that you speak up on the issue that matters most, the issues that matter most. When you make your voice heard, adults listen. He says, I wish you the best in the years ahead and look forward to seeing where your future takes you. Study hard, keep challenging yourself, and be kind sincerely. Who signed that, Elle? What name is that?
Joe Biden.
Joe Biden. Now, she wrote a letter because of the homeless problem that she noticed is in Studio City and around Los Angeles, and sent it to the White House and got that response back. Here's a picture of Bronwyn herself in second grade with that awesome letter. Jack, what do you think?
That's crazy.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, Bronwyn, we salute you today. Way to go. It shows the power of the pen. If you put your mind to do something and you want to reach out, even in a second grade or even younger, you can write a letter and get a response from even our president, President Joe Biden. So that is awesome. I want to start with her. All right. So next up, guys, we continue to celebrate LGBTQ plus month. Elle, I got a question for you. Do you support people who want to be themselves?
Yes.
Okay. So that's good to know. Jack, here's a question. Are you friends with all different types of people?
Yeah.
Okay, so both of you can consider yourself allies. We have a video today from one of our moms, and we're highlighting the LGBTQ plus month. Let's watch this video and then we'll talk about it. Here she is.
Hi there, my name is Katina and I'm a parent here at Carpenter, and I'm also an ally for the LGBTQ plus community. Do you know what it means to be an ally? Well, 3 ways that you can be an ally to some of your friends in the LGBTQ community are to support and accept your friends for who they truly are and how they want to be identified. A second thing you can do is to speak up or defend your friends if they're being hassled or if someone's being mean to them. And a third thing that you can do to be an ally is to be inclusive and invite your LGBTQ friends to hang out with your other friends and family and get to know them and hang out. It's awesome. It's fun, right? More friends, the merrier. So we here at the Diversity Committee at Carpenter just want to let our families know that we are here to support them, and so is LAUSD. So there's a lot of resources out there through the LAUSD website, and you can also reach out to the Diversity Committee at Carpenter. All right, thanks.
All right, so guys, you didn't even know it, but you're already allies. Like I'm an ally also. if we support each other, if we are friends with all different types of people, regardless of their backgrounds or their interests, we are allies ourselves. So great job. Hey, listen, today is, the third, explain to me, Jack, it's the third Friday of every month you're with us, right?
Friday.
And so this is the third Friday. And so it's time for Jack's loud sounds. Jack, tell us about our loud sound today. Okay, sounds like a jet plane. It's like a jet plane at LAX. It's about to take off. It might be going somewhere far like Europe or Asia. I'm thinking it's a jet plane. What do you think it is, Elle?
I don't know. Maybe like, I don't know.
Jack, am I right? Is it a jet plane?
No.
What was it?
It was a dryer.
The dryer, like in your house, where your washing machine in the dryer? Oh my gosh. Okay, so it did sound like a jet plane though to me. Thank you, Jack, for our loud sound of the week. It was a dryer, boys and girls. Elle, you ready to take over the screen and share your Elle's weird but true facts?
Yes.
All right, let's see what you've got going for us today. Maybe some weird facts about dryers, Jack. You never know. Here we go. Let's see.
Can you see it?
Yep. All right.
Casu marzu, a type of cheese infested with live wiggling maggots, is considered a delicacy in Italy.
And so when you say delicacy, that means people pay a lot of money to eat it?
Yeah.
Jack, would you eat cheese that had live wriggling maggots in it?
No, of course not.
Yeah, and I definitely wouldn't spend a lot of money on it for, I'll tell you what, but I believe it's true because people do all kinds of crazy things with cheese. That, Jack, is a weird
But true fact.
Okay, number 2. Here we go.
An artesian artist creates images by shooting paint out of his eye onto his canvas.
So an Argentinian, so if a guy, somebody from Argentina creates images by, so you're saying he puts the paint in his eyes and is able to pop it out?
Yeah.
How? Jack, try to pop something out of your eyes right now. Let's see if you can do it. I can't even imagine how you would be able to get paint out of your eyes. So maybe like tears of paint and he just is able to splatter. Jack, that is a weird.
But true fact.
Yeah. Number 3, here we go.
A man wrote an entire novel without using the letter E.
Wrote an entire book without using the letter E. So number 1, I never heard of that, but that is amazing. Not only is it amazing, Jack, what else is it?
A weird but true fact.
It is a weird but true fact. Thank you, Elle. That was awesome. Guys, let's tell everybody what's happening today at lunchtime. What's going on? Oh, you're muted. There you go.
DJ Parsegian will be spinning Halloween records for 4th grade with Mrs. Hong.
DJ Parsegian for the 4th grade. Mrs. Hong, they're going to be at the outdoor science lab. You need your 3 coupons to get in the door, and you might just have DJ Parsegian playing records for you. What else you got, Elle?
DJ Stuback and DJ Dorian will be playing some great Halloween tunes for 5th grade with Mr. Martinez.
So that's for the 5th grade. Again, also at the outdoor science lab, 3 coupons, guys. We look forward to seeing everybody there. We're playing all Halloween dancing tunes today. Jack, are you going to be there?
Yeah.
Okay. Elle, you going to be there?
Yes.
All right, perfect. Let's do the words of wisdom. Today, boys and girls, we want you to imagine what it would be like if everyone in your class were exactly the same. Yeah, look around the room right now. Imagine that they were all the same. They all had the same hair. They had the same colored eyes. They were all the same size and the same shape. They all used the same voice and they had the same laugh.
What if everyone liked the same color and the same food and the same music? Wouldn't life be dull?
Remember this, students.
It's good that we are all so different. It makes life more interesting.
We can learn from our differences and we can celebrate what makes each of us so special. Today, celebrate all our wonderful differences by seeing what's wonderful in others.
With something to think about, this is Mr. Martinez.
And Elle,
And Jack.
Make it a great day.
or not.
The choice is yours. Guys, I look forward to seeing you at the dance party today. Boys and girls, have a wonderful Friday and a great weekend. We'll see you dancing on the dance floor if you're a 4th and 5th grader. Bye, guys.
Bye.